First, the top stories. Ningol Chakoba celebrated with full fervor. Indo-Naga talks held. October 31st deadline unlikely to fulfill. And Justice Bobore to replace Ranjan Gogoi as Chief Justice of India. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. Times of Manipur wishes everyone a very happy Ningol Chakoba. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Ningol Chakoba, one of the biggest festivals of the state of Manipur, was celebrated today with great fervor. It is celebrated on the second day of the Manipuri lunar month of Hyanghae. Married sisters and daughters are invited to parental house for a grand feast to celebrate the festival. Notably, the Manipur government announced October 30th as the official date for celebration of Ningol Chakoba this year, but many people celebrated it today. United People's Front UPF and indigenous minority organization Manipur celebrated Ningol Chakoba with women from both the hills and valley at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen, Imphal. Titular King of Manipur Laisema Sana Jauba attended the celebration.
Ngasigi Chakoba se sumna khaki ekoi sa khar chaminaba khudol por khar piba madom de chatpiganu ekoi leiriba ekoi mayam se amatani nupa oiba singse khoi gi chingda suoisunu tamda sunsu leiba singse leiriba ningol singsi ibung ipa gaktane na khanbiu aduga singdam sung tamda leiba piba oiba ekoi na sune leiriba sing tamgi leiba ningol singse ekoi gi isalni ekoi gi iseni imani inena ekoi na dumaina ekoi khanjage.
The All Manipur Students Union MSU also celebrated Ningol Chakoba at the union headquarters, DM College campus, Imphal. Women from different communities took part in the event.
Piriba Ningol Singda Makoida Harauta Amba Nuaiba Saklenam Saminaduna Nuksinaba Mari Lejaba Kudol Amakataduna Ichil now Bagi Mabung Bagi Kachariba Ngamjaba Kudoka Kataduna Tauzariba Sigum Labagi Moina Harauta Momon Minokalena Logiba Dugumlaba Nuksichanabaduna Lamdamasida Kundale Taminariba Frukalu Kudimaksu Nuksichanaba Henamari Sanba Unity Hangarpa Cooperation Pinaduna Lebag Subu Tangdu Letaba Lebamo Oresanu Amasung Pizariba Indigenous Koiba Kudol Karasida Pentok Piduna Hadi Gifta Hidana Banataba Akogi Pijaba Karada Akuna Pentok Saduna Nuksichanaba Mari Chasanba Oresanu Hana Medai Tonga Tamsari.
MCU invited us for this awesome program and we are very grateful for MCU and may this relationship between brother and sister last long.
Ningol Singbu ibung upa MCU gi ibung upa singna ko viva se yam nungai makha tar pa matung tar pa so dum ko viva haina ko viva ngambo isano haina ai hang haijaningi
si bauda MCU na phur khuding magi damakta kari gamba thabak tharam thorkwa matamda kanya tawdaba am tayawde saruk yadaba am tayawde ana matungda tholaba khuding masu yajagani haina thamjage.
All Manipur Ethnic Socio-Cultural Organization MSCO celebrated Ningol Chakoba on the theme Aikhoigi Iche Ichal Singbu Ning Singba Numit, remembering our sisters at the premises of Bright Career Academy Lamlai.
Akoi Manipur hairaga akoi apun bamato in lerami haibadu madu unnabagi damakta amadi akoi khuding mak nungsi chanana amadi tangduleita na hingminana bai damakta akoi ngasi Ningol Chakoba khuding ya mesko na sak kauduna ngasi akoi apun bagi sigumba isi mongmok pagi oiba mas adugumba nungairaba numit amasi masi mayamda pangthoktuna mayamda uthoknaba amadi maduna maram oiraga ngasi akoi makha taba akoi tungi punsi dasu akoi khuding mak amato ina hingminaba ngamnabagi damakta pangthoksabani.
Aduna mesko gi mana singtam gi sambi ne se na lap se ko yam harawi ai khoi singmi su hojik matam sida sa kaw besu tawi khunda aduna ai khoi gi ima ipa ne su sambi ne se hai be do thanam raga asida mesko gi पुलप चासे जात जात खुदिंग मी पुनप चासे हाइबसे अखोइना खालगा सोमदा सिलु हनलगा खोमना सोमदा लाइबनी
अदुगा ngasi अखोइ सुमाइना निंगोल गी ओइबा निंगोल चाकोबा लाकपसे याम हरावे याम नुंगाइबा फावे अदुगा आइना मेसेज पिनिंग बहारगदी अखोइ इमा अमतगी मचानी अखोइ पुन्ना हिंगमिनसे असिगुम नुंगाइबसे अखोइ पुन्नमक सरुक यामिनसे सिकदा हाय लोइजल
अपुन बगोइना अपम्बगी सक्तम उलइबसे नोइना सिमियाम पुनमुना लोइना थागत नै याम नुंगाइजै मतम खुजिंग मक सांगना अफाबा गोयक्सनु हाइबसिगी इमागी वाखंदा लै अदुगो यामना पामनै मिपुं खुजिंग मकी नोइना अपुन सक्तम उलकपसे हाइगे को इमाना
Traditional festival, so-called the Ningol Chakauba, organized by the MSCO here at Lamlai, has been attended by the people from different communities like Kabui, Karam, Tangkul, Kuki, and Wi-Fi, Maite Pangal, and the people here in this surrounding. They express their opinions, saying that not only on this occasion but even in the days to come, if any voluntary organization or any CSOs can organize such kinds of activities with an aim to promote the peaceful coexistence, then the chances of peaceful coexistence and having an ideal understanding between every communities in the state can be greatly improved. With camera person Rosan Kangembam, Blessing Gang Mai for TOMTV News, Lamlai.
Celebrating the festival of Ningol Chakoba, the Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur organized the 7th Ningol Khudol event at Standard College, Imphal. A topic on Ningol Chakoba and empowerment was held as part of the program.
Disabled oraba Ningol adegi mau अखोगी चाकोबदी चानिंग चटपदी फंगदा दुगुंबा मयाम अम लेबदो अखोगी रिलीफ सेंटर जिना अखोगी मखोइबु अखोगी नुंगाइतबा मोगी पेंदबदो उरगा ngasi अखोइना पुलप अखोइ मफमसिदा चाही कुदिंगी चाकोरका लाकपने ngasi ngasiसु अदु मतुंगदसु अखोगी तुंगदा अदुम चाकोबसे हेन हेन माइ पाकपा ngamba ओइजगे
Apunba Nupilup Bishnupur also celebrated Ningol Chakoba festival at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglen, Bishnupur district. Married women from Bishnupur, Kangpopi, Senapati and Churachandpur were present at the event. Ningol Chakoba was celebrated in other parts of the state, the country and the abroad as well.
Singna mayamani tamna manauni haibudi wadu kaunaruraba mate kitang kaunabadi nataba mate kitang gap layuba adu punsin naranarbagi damakta ikoina makhan makha kaya di sakoba natre hairaga function mayam ama tawli masidani ikoina ngasi nupi singsi ikoina amat oina punsalaga nupi singna punsalaga aikoi apunma asengba achepo ga khallo amaga changchminaragadi tawba ngamdaba thabak lairo.
In connection with the festival of Ningol Chakoba, the Directorate of Fisheries and Staff Manipur organized a one-day fish fair cum fish crop competition 2019 at DM College of Arts Ground, Imphal. Fisheries Minister N. Kaisi, PDA Chairman T. Robindro Singh and Link Additional Chief Secretary Led Khogin Haukib attended the fish fair opening function. At the occasion, Minister Kaisi said fishing and fish eating has been a traditional habit of the people of Manipur since long time, with fish being one of the principal foods of the people. He said the state requires 55 metric ton of fish annually, but the state can produce only 35 metric ton to date. And hence, Manipur spends around rupees 400 crore in purchasing fish from the outside states, Kaisi added. He said the state government has planned to provide loan to the fishermen to increase fish produce in the state.
Manipur da leiriba vele nga kana taduna Jing district da so na si karamina yokhalaga Jing da so masigi nga yokhatninge gi program si makhal budi paikhatuna li aduna so choidna nasi Jing da tam si manare ga kan tordi soidna akoi Fishery Department si Manipur da mami chapa department ama oigini si ai thaje.
National banks leiba Manipur leiba and other bank leiba myam si ki puni ang kitang jingning budi akoi leiba farmer sing se masagi sentum gi khoi yam ne le tabani na nga si puthok na bi hona ba hajik lai ba anawa technique sesina ga nga si jok pa hona ba to matam da koi financial bo ma yam le bani na khoi gi lai ba bank sing sesina su khaitang om thok pi raga ma khoi gi loan sing se khatang thuna khatang bi bi di koi farmer sing se hana ngai ge ni ma khoi na nga puthok koi thabak to se hana ma khoi da kom ba ngai ba oi ge ni hai ba sema ya ne bank gi pham tham se ge ma khoi ma teng pang bi hai ba pham chum tham se ge.
Interlocutor RN Ravi held back-to-back talks with the Working Committee WC of the 7 Naga national political groups and the NSC and IM on Tuesday, sources inform. Talks between the Government of India and the NSC and IM continued on October 28 without any breakthrough in the stalemate over the issue of separate Naga flag and constitution. It was the fourth formal sitting between Government of India, interlocutor and Nagaland Governor RN Ravi and the NSC and IM collective leadership led by General Secretary T.H. Muiva since the political negotiations resumed on October 10th in New Delhi after a 2-month break. With reports rife of the Government of India stipulating October 31st, 2019 as a deadline to conclude the 22-year-old political dialogue, a senior NSC and IM leader commented that it would be unwise to specify deadlines. However, unofficial sources informed that the deadline might go beyond October 31st. An online news agency reported on October 28 that the Government of India has decided to withdraw the October 31st deadline. Queried on this, the NSC and IM leader maintained that the question of withdrawing deadline does not arise as there was no such issuance or official stipulation from the Government of India in the first place. He added that there was no announcement of deadline withdrawal at the meeting today. The Naga national political groups and NPGs has denied compromising with the demand for Naga flag and constitution. The Working Committee of NNPGs on Monday in a statement said to brand it as having forfeited the demands for Naga flag or constitution is bereft of truth, according to a media report. The door of Naga sovereignty and integration has not been sealed or culminated beyond redemption, but to be pursued through peaceful democratic process, said NNPGs. Clarifying its position on the two issues, the committee said it is too premature to depreciate the agreed position between it and the Government of India on mere scepticism. It said that the miselucidation from many unsolicited sources abound on the status of Naga national flag and constitution, creating more of perplexity and apprehensions in the minds of the common Nagas rather than providing clarity and precision. Meanwhile, an emergency all-party meeting is underway at the Chief Minister Bungalow, Imphal, to discuss the restive situation unfolding in Manipur due to the ongoing Indo-Naga peace process, a reliable sources inform TOMTV. However, it is unknown what exactly transpired in the meeting as of now. This source also informed that a delegation of the all parties is likely to leave Imphal for New Delhi tomorrow. President Ramnath Kovind on Tuesday approved the appointment of Justice Sarad Arvind Bopre as the present Chief Justice of India, Ranjan Gogoi's successor. With Gogoi stepping down as the 46th CJI on November 17 next, Bopre will now take over the reins as the 47th CJI. The 63-year-old man will have a tenure of 17 months and would retire from the CJI post on April 23, 2021. Media reports said today, Kovind signed Bopre's warrant of appointment on Tuesday. Bopre, the former Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court, has been part of several important cases, including the sexual harassment case against Gogoi, the Ayodhya land dispute case, etc. It may be mentioned that Gogoi had on October 18 sent a letter to the central government recommending Justice Sarad Arvind Bopre, the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court, as his successor. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Kokomi-led alert protest in Manipur entered its 7th day today.
Sunrise Enterprises. Buy any type of RO water purifier with heavy discount and get pre-filter free. Servicing of any type of domestic and commercial RO water purifier. Available all spare parts. For details, please contact Sunrise Enterprises, Major Khul near Community Hall, Thangal Bazaar. Open from 8:30 to 6:30 p.m. Mobile number 908-918-9371 or 9436-442-885. Or email us at rj_shn@hotmail.com.
Welcome back after the break. The Kokomi-led alert protest in Manipur entered its 7th day today. Lamlong Bazaar in Imphal East witnessed a sit-in demonstration. At Lilong, Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO held a public alert rally. The organization also submitted a memorandum to Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh demanding that there shall be no territorial changes of Manipur in the much-awaited Indo-Naga peace deal. Meanwhile, the Coordinating Committee on Manipuri Integrity, Kokomi, is all set launched a massive protest on October 31st to show a strong opposition against any pact that could hurt the territorial integrity of Manipur amid the Indo-Naga peace talks. Kokomi is an umbrella body of 5 major civil society organizations recently formed with the principal aim to spearhead agitation against any anti-Manipur outcome from the Naga talks. On the other hand, a mass candlelight vigil was held across Naga-dominated areas in the hills of Manipur for inclusive, honorable and acceptable solution to the vexed Indo-Naga peace process. A major fire destroyed a house last night at Sagolban Pukramam in Imphal West. It is said that the bursting of firecrackers triggered the blaze. Properties worth around ₹4 lakh were destroyed in the house fire that occurred around 10 p.m. A team of Imphal police rushed to the site to take stock of the situation.
Si dharma gi mingda musi lamjen tanaraga ko kumai rao sida bamla je akoi gi culture ju nati bamla ji di ko adigi Diwali si je akoi culture nati hoi lai oina ningbati ki sukai de ko hien thawai auction ba hai tare ko sigumba maipok lang thok je ai tawhaning de adu bamla thabai culture ma yang kan tawhalai je si tawhaning de si khatani soi de ngam dana imung da lai la charaga ju ado mayam da disturb tawdana ko isa khatang nuai jaraga ingna chingna shanti oina leibdo adu pam hajani.
A man was mysteriously found dead at Nambolai Tunzam under Besnupur district this morning. Identity of the deceased is yet to be ascertained, according to a report. A health and wellness center was inaugurated today by the Principal Secretary of Health and Family, Vumdul Mang Volnum, at Sagang village under Churachandpur district as part of the extension of the Sagang Primary Health Center. With this, a total of 12 PACs have been attached with the Health and Wellness Center in the district. The U.S. ambassador to India, Kenneth I. Juster, on Monday said the U.S. would fund to upgrade more health centers with modern technologies in Arunachal Pradesh. Media reports said, while speaking at 7th Tawang Festival 2019 beginning on Monday, Juster said the U.S. has been funding Arunachal Pradesh in improving the health sector. Juster, who inaugurated the festival, said more health centers in the state will be upgraded with modern technologies so that proper and good health services are provided to the people, saying that study on Arunachal would be quite interesting. Justice said the University of Florida collaborated with Arunachal Pradesh, Lone Central University, Rajiv Gandhi University for a combined research work. Speaking to a mammoth and enthusiastic crowd in the mystic and serene Tawang, the U.S. ambassador extended his gratitude to the people of the district for the exceptional hospitality offered to him and his entourage. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Ningol Singi Akanaba Kumai Ningol Chako Buna Lakpada, Tamabati Emporium na, October Kuntra Fauba Chada Kuntra discount Pizabi. Akak Naba Matam Kaktamak Pizaba discount name. Ningol Singi Makal Kayagi Fige, Wankai fee, Rani fee, blouse, tops fee, Fanik Nachingba Makal Suna Fang Biragani. Ngasi Maglengsim Biraksi, Damabati Emporium, Ghari Makhalaikai near Pakangba Fort. Contact number 7085-186-485 natraga 7005-946-596.
Hey Lola, nang phone yaw bra? Yaw eh. Lamjing ba kep kau ne? Apang? Ai kau tu re.
Manipur han ba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba kep service namyam gi seva tawjari.
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thogdok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakong bagidamak akhan naba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gidamak lamjing ba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nitayananda Temple.
Welcome back. The rise in water level due to the rains in the area has affected train running since Sunday evening, resulting in many trains being diverted, cancelled or short terminated from Monday. Media reports said the trains cancelled on Monday are Dibrugarh-Guwahati Shatabdi Express, Dibrugarh-Rongia Intercity Express, Mariani-Dimapur passenger, Tinsukia-Lumding passenger, Guwahati-Naharlagun Shatabdi Express, Dimapur-Mariani passenger, while the Lumding-Tinsukia passenger will remain cancelled on Tuesday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday reached Riyadh city to attend the third Future Investment Initiative Forum, according to media reports. He is on a day trip to the nation. Modi was greeted by the governor of Riyadh, Prince Faisal bin Bandar Al Saud. Modi will attend other programs during his visit to the country. A 23-member delegation of European Union members of parliament arrived in Kashmir on Tuesday to see firsthand the ground situation in the region after the scrapping of Article 370, which gave Jammu and Kashmir special status, a media report said. This is the first visit by any international delegation to the valley after August 5th, when Parliament passed resolutions and laws to scrap special status to the state and special privileges to its residents and split Jammu and Kashmir into two union territories. Effectively ruling out a 50-50 power sharing formula with ally Shiv Sena, Devendra Fadnavis Tuesday said that he will be Maharashtra Chief Minister for another 5 years, media reported. He added that the Sena was not promised the Chief Minister's post for 2.5 years during pre-poll negotiations. The two saffron parties have been engaged in a bitter tussle to decide on a seat-sharing agreement, where the Sena has been demanding a rotational Chief Minister post with a written agreement from the BJP. On October 30th, the BJP has called a meeting of its newly elected MLAs to appoint its legislative party leader in Maharashtra. Sources in the BJP have said that MLAs were likely to elect Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis as the party leader, paving the way for Fadnavis to take oath as Chief Minister for a second term. Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray last week reminded the BJP of the 50-50 seat sharing formula that was purported agreed upon between himself, BJP President Amit Shah and Fadnavis ahead of the 2019 Lok Sabha polls in the recently concluded assembly elections. BJP secured 105 while Shiv Sena bagged 56 seats. India woke up to sad news on Tuesday morning when the efforts to save the 2-year-old boy trapped in a borewell at Nadukatupati village in Tiruchirappalli district of Tamil Nadu came to a tragic end when the rescue team pulled out the body of Sujit Wilson, media reported. His death ended the 82-hour-long rescue operation to a tragic end. Commissioner of Revenue Administration informed the media at 0230 hours early this morning that the boy was dead. The rescue teams observed foul smell emanating from the borewell in which the boy was trapped at around 10:30 hours on Monday night, following which medical teams assessed the situation and announced that the boy was dead. The tunnel digging process was stopped immediately. The child's body was dismembered and in a highly decomposed state, he said. The body was handed over to his family after the post-mortem and taken to Nadukutupati village. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, Saina will be looking to add to her title wins for the year, with her last victory coming way back in January at the Indonesia Masters, media said. Top seed in the women's singles category, 29-year-old Saina will start her campaign against Germany's Fabienne Deprech. She is also one of only 2 players in the draw who are ranked within the top 10 of the world rankings. The other is Olympic champion Carolina Marin, who incidentally is the player Saina beat in the final of the Indonesia Masters when this Spaniard pulled out due to an injury. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Ningol Chako was celebrated with full fervor. Indo-Naga talks held October 31st deadline unlikely to fulfill. And Justice Bobure to replace Ranjan Gogoi as Chief Justice of India. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.